Okay, today I'm in Puerto Escondido surfing and taking a little Spanish class, and I'm gonna demonstrate and practice using this app as a adjacent to learning in Spanish. So I'm taking a level B1 Spanish class, and I'm realizing I need a lot of practice. My homework was with poder, so here I am with the Spanish teacher, and I'm gonna go here and go to, we're doing the past tense verbs, and I already went in here and chose poder. So I marked it as that I'm learning it, and I really just want to focus on this verb. So I'm gonna double click it, and that just kind of types the message. I want to practice the verb poder in preterite tense. Okay, so let's go and see how this
practice
does.
the verb poder in the preterite tense. Traduce esta oración al español. I couldn't go to the party.
Okay, actually, primero, maybe I'll have something. Por favor, conjugar poder en el preterito. First, maybe I will have it always conjugate the verb if you ask that first, because then I want to see that and then I want to practice. Did I ask that right? In the preterite, yeah, acceptance.
Aquí está la conjugación de poder en el pretérito. Yo pude. Tú pudiste. Él, ella,
Otra
usted
vez.
pudo. Nosotros pudimos.
Sí.
Vosotros pudisteis.
Vosotros.
Ellos, ellas.
And I should probably reemphasize that we don't have vosotros because I'm in Mexico. Otra vez. Y sin vosotros. Okay, again and without without you. Without vosotros.
Aquí está la conjugación de poder en el pretérito. Sin vosotros. Yo pude. Tú pudiste. Él, ella, usted pudo. Nosotros pudimos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes pudieron.
Yo pude, tú pudiste, él, ella, usted pudo, nosotros pudimos, ellos pudieron. I could, you could, he could. Okay. And then I think what I'm missing is just a lot. Now I need a lot of practice. Let's practice. Well, let's just say let's practice. I'm not going to tell what to do. Un momento. Ha. Okay, I got new towels. Okay, let's continue practicing the verb poder in the present tense. Completa la oración. Ayer nosotros terminamos el proyecto. Ayer, sorry, complete. Yesterday, ayer, nosotros, I have to sneak it, pudimos terminar el proyecto. Yesterday, we could complete the project. I don't know why I typed it in English. I just wanted to. Ayer nosotros pudimos terminar el proyecto. Let's see. Muy bien.
Muy bien, correcto. Ayer nosotros pudimos terminar el proyecto. Great job. Correct. Yesterday we could complete the project.
This is where I wanted to get it to. It should like give me another question and keep the conversation going. I will work on coding that. Okay, give me sentences. In English. Okay, that's what it should be doing. Maybe I have to do some coding and make sure it's doing that. Dame oraciones en inglés una a
Let's
la
practice
vez.
with sentences in English one at a time. Translate this sentence. They couldn't find the keys.
Ellos no pudieron encontrar las llaves. Ellos no pudieron encontrar las llaves, or no pudieron encontrar las llaves. Yep, they couldn't find the keys. So I added this, so when you type in Spanish, it's translating it and telling you, whoops, what it is in English.
Correcto. La traducción es, ellos no pudieron encontrar las llaves.
And it's actually, I think I'm getting better at hearing the Spanish, so I'm going to bump it up to 0.9.
Correcto. La traducción es, Ellos no pudieron encontrar las llaves.
Actually, I'm going to bump it up in the settings. So it's not just that one. And it's always 0.9, which makes me feel like I'm mejorando en mi español. Okay, which is the goal. Es la meta.
Correcto. La traducción es, ellos no pudieron encontrar las llaves.
Otra. Yeah, I need to code it so it actually doesn't need me to say otra and it just like keeps going. I'm not sure what's going on there. I'll work on it.
Here's another sentence to translate. She could finish the book.
Ella pudo terminar. Ella pudo terminar el libro. Actually, I'm going to put that, instead of doing that, I'm going to see what it says for suggested reply. Ella podría terminar el libro. Yeah, I have to work on that too because that's the wrong tense. Oh, so much work. Okay, but ella pudo terminar el libro. So if you're doing a tense practice, the suggest reply needs to know
Perfecto.
that.
La traducción es, ella pudo terminar el libro.
Otra. Keep giving me new sentences without me having to ask. So I'm typing that, but I'm going to code that because that should just happen automatically. I will work on that for you, so you don't have to do that.
Here's another sentence to translate. We couldn't visit the museum.
Nosotros pudimos. Actually, let's get rid of nosotros. Pudimos. No pudimos. We couldn't visitar. No pudimos. No pudimos visitar el museo. No pudimos visitar el museo. See? We were unable to visit the museum. Yep, exactly.
Exacto. La traducción es, no pudimos visitar el museo.
Oh, it's really annoying to have to ask it. Okay, I need to fix this. I will. Otra.
Here's another sentence to translate. He could not attend the meeting.
Atendar. Oh, God. I'm going to translate and cheat. No, that doesn't work. Attend the meeting. Let's see if I can cheat by doing this. Yep, hold on. Asistir. Asistir is attend. Oh, asistir is attend. La reunión. La reunión is a meeting? Really? Él no pudo asistir. He was able to attend the meeting. No, that's okay. Casi perfecto. La traducción correcta es él no pudo asistir a la reunión. Well, I imagine this is not the most fascinating video in the world, but I think it's good repetition for the brain. And actually, I'm pretty happy with this app, and I like how it's really focused because we have this in the database, what you want to work on, and where are we? Present, past, right? Preterite, and we're like single-mindedly focused on poder in the preterite, which is what I think I need reinforcement on, and this is giving it to me, like my tarea, like my homework. Él no pudo asistir. Another, please. And I'm partly doing this because I want to see what that is in Spanish. Is it translating it from English to Spanish? If I do that, I forgot how I coded it. Otra, sí, otro por favor, otro por favor. Okay, they couldn't hear the announcement. They, ellos, no, pudieron escuchar. Thank you, Duolingo, for the vocabulary. I wonder if I go like this. And sometimes it's not, the JavaScript is not catching this for some reason. Come on, baby. It's working. All right. I'll say the announcement. And they will say that's not right. Ellos no pudieron escuchar the announcement. And if you mix Spanglish here, it does it in English. El anuncio. Ellos no pudieron. I think just the repetition of typing it is helpful. So, escuchar el anuncio. El anuncio. Otro, por favor. Otro, por favor. I like the little translation thing that pops up because it reinforces that type I thought I was going to type. Thank you, my friend Brian. They couldn't hear the announcement.
La traducción es, ellos no pudieron escuchar el anuncio. Here's another sentence to translate. She couldn't find her keys.
Sus llaves, because it's plural, right? Ella no pudo encontrar sus llaves. She couldn't find her keys. Ella no pudo encontrar sus llaves. Mostly I just want to get I and you because, yeah. So I couldn't find my keys would be yo no pude encontrar no pude encontrar mis llaves. O no pude encontrar mis llaves porque no necesito yo. No pude encontrar mis llaves. Ambas formas son correctas. Thank you.
Ambas formas son correctas. Yo no pude encontrar mis llaves. No pude encontrar mis llaves.
Yo no pude encontrar mis llaves. No pude encontrar mis llaves. Yo. She says kind of yo like Costa Rica. I have to see what's going on there. With the voice. Okay. Más. Porfa. I like porfa as a shorthand. I'm going to say, is porfa a good shorthand for por favor? I think so, but I want to confirm that before I start using it a lot. And I love that you can speak in Spanglish. In dígame. It's like my favorite thing to do. Or maybe it's not the best. I don't know. I like speaking in Spanglish. Because sometimes I want to ask a question and know I'm asking it right. Pero porfa. Claro,
Claro, aquí tienes más información. Porfa es una forma informal y común de decir por favor en español. Here's another sentence to translate. We couldn't finish the project.
Nosotros no pudimos completar. I don't like terminar. Completar el proyecto. Nosotros no pudimos completar. I'm guessing on completar. I'm not sure. Yeah, when I was nosotros no pudimos completar el proyecto. ¿Qué es la diferencia? There's an accent. ¿Qué es la diferencia entre? What's the difference between completar y terminar? Terminar seems like you terminate it, like you edited the middle of it, and complete feels like you completed it. Completing and finishing. La
diferencia entre completar y terminar es sutil. Completar implica que algo se ha hecho en su totalidad, cumpliendo todos los requisitos. Terminar simplemente indica que algo ha llegado a su fin, pero no necesariamente que se ha hecho completamente.
So part of that I don't understand. Completar implicates that something se ha hecho. I'm not sure about this use of ha hecho. Implies that something has been done in its entirety, en su totalidad, fulfilling the requirements, cumpliendo todos los requisitos. What is this?
La diferencia entre completar y terminar es sutil. Completar implica que algo se ha hecho en su
I like that I can slow stuff down too.
totalidad, cumpliendo todos los requisitos.
requisitos.
Terminar simplemente indica que algo ha llegado a su fin, pero no necesariamente que
Algo ha llegado a su fin. Something has come to an end. Pero no necesariamente que se ha hecho completamente. That has been completely done. Yeah, you just start versus completed. So I think it is good. Okay, this video is getting really long. I'm going to continue to practice poder en el preterito tense. Wow. Yeah, it takes a lot of repetition, man, to become fluent. So I'm mastering it one verb at a time, one tense at a time. That seems to be the way to gain mastery. So hope you enjoyed the video. Adios. Nos vemos pronto.